Smart Fortwo servicing cost. Smart is a German automotive brand and division of Daimler AG. The marque is based in Böblingen, Germany. It produces microcars and subcompacts, primarily the Fortwo and Forfour. The primary assembly plant is the Smartville in Hambach, France. The 2017 Smart Fortwo is a compact city car known for its small size, maneuverability, and efficient design. Here are some of the key features you might find in the 2017 Smart Fortwo. Servicing your Smart Fortwo is essential to ensure its reliability, longevity, and safe operation. Regular maintenance helps prevent issues and keeps your vehicle running smoothly. Here are some best practices for servicing your Smart Fortwo. Follow the maintenance schedule. Refer to your Smart Fortwo's owner's manual for the manufacturer's recommended maintenance schedule. This schedule outlines the specific services and intervals at which they should be performed. Engine oil and filter changes. Regular oil changes are crucial to keep the engine well lubricated. Follow the recommended oil change interval and use the appropriate oil grade and filter. Tire maintenance. Check tire pressure regularly and maintain it at the recommended levels. Inspect the tires for signs of wear, and rotate them as needed to ensure even wear. Brake inspection and maintenance. Inspect the brakes regularly for wear and tear. Replace brake pads and rotors as necessary to maintain braking performance. Brake fluid should also be checked and replaced per the manufacturer's recommendations. Fluid checks. Regularly check and top off all essential fluids, including coolant, transmission fluid, power steering fluid, and windshield washer fluid. Air filter replacement. Replace the engine air filter at the recommended intervals to ensure optimal engine performance and fuel efficiency. Spark plug replacement. Replace spark plugs according to the manufacturer's recommendations to maintain efficient combustion and engine performance. Battery inspection. Inspect the battery terminals for corrosion and ensure they are securely connected. Replace the battery if it's showing signs of weakness. Wheel alignment and suspension. Check the wheel alignment periodically and adjust it if necessary to prevent uneven tire wear and ensure stable handling. Inspect the suspension components for wear and damage. Check and replace belts and hoses. Inspect belts and hoses for signs of wear, cracks, or leaks. Replace them as needed to prevent breakdowns. HVAC system maintenance. Regularly check and clean the cabin air filter to ensure efficient operation of the heating, ventilation, and air conditioning HVAC system. Professional service. Have your Smart Fortwo serviced by a qualified technician or at a Smart dealership. They have the necessary training and equipment to service your vehicle correctly. Keep records. Maintain a record of all service and maintenance performed on your Smart Fortwo. This documentation can be valuable for warranty claims and future buyers. By following these best practices and adhering to the manufacturer's recommended maintenance schedule, you can help ensure the longevity, reliability, and performance of your Smart Fortwo. Regular maintenance also helps identify potential issues early, preventing more significant problems down the road.